Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T28 Panel Van Commerce Pro finished in stone grey. It is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. The exterior features 19-inch Indianapolis alloy wheels with a black diamond-turned finish, roof rails, and power adjustable heated and folding mirrors for added convenience. Automatic headlight control also helps to maintain visibility in changing conditions, while a rear view camera and front and rear parking sensors provide extra confidence when manoeuvring in busy areas or tight environments. The Plyline's load area can be accessed through the rear wing doors, which open up to 180 degrees, or the side sliding door. There are lashing rings to secure your cargo, and a storage compartment which opens up underneath the passenger seats, allowing you to carry longer items or store small tools and equipment. Inside the cab, electronically controlled air conditioning and heated seats provide comfort throughout the year. The middle seat can be folded down, creating a flat work surface if required, while there is plenty of storage throughout the cabin, including a dedicated compartment for glasses or sunglasses to keep them from being lost or damaged. In the centre, you will find your USB ports, along with a wireless device charging pad to keep you connected on the go. Within the Transporter, technology includes DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen OutConnect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. From the screen, you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and to make the most of your camera and parking sensors when manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T28 Panel Van Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.